So, hey guys, I just landed here in Korea, in South Korea, and the process was really smooth. So, I'm definitely going to tell you guys what you must do to get the Q code and what you must not do so you don't need to stand in a long line. I met some other solo travelers, so I'm just waiting on like two of them right now before I let you know. But I already collected my baggage. I have my other camera here, nice and ready. And we're just gonna have fun. We are gonna have fun in Seoul, and I'm going to record as much of it as possible. And I will definitely be showing you guys around Seoul, South Korea, Jeju, and everywhere I go. So yeah, let's go. First things first, find a place to rent a hanbok. If you are interested in dressing in Korean, South Korea's traditional clothing and visiting the palace, that was way up on my bucket list. So, hey girl, look here, I'm vlogging. Wow, of course. And this is mine. We'll be walking around like this even though it's so hot, but it's cool. We removed our clothes.
This.
Yeah. Guys, I'm in the market now, one jam market. I'm gonna try the food. Okay. The other camera, which is what is on me. This one, I will take the food and you'll get my reaction on this one. Nice. So. It's different from the one that I have in China, for sure. Picture? One person. I'm gonna do a quick walk around after I eat this food. Then, everything bougie. So I'm doing this one for my little sister. She watched Exo Kitty, and so she wants me to go to the Seoul Tower to write her name on a block. So that's the Seoul Tower in the back. No, you can't see that. But on my way there. This one is for my little sister. I'm out in Jeju now. It's definitely a different vibe from Seoul. It's hot, but it's not like Seoul hot, you know? Maybe because the beaches and stuff are here, I guess. But I really like it. It would be like, so if you're from Jamaica, Seoul would be like a Kingston, and then Jeju would be like Ocherius. So yeah, it's beautiful. Welcome to Jeju Loveland, guys. I have made it. It is super hot out, but I so love it here. And this has always been a dream of mine to come here, take photos under these statues, and just see Jeju Loveland. Can you see how beautiful this is behind me? Lady allowed me to sit in her shop. Now I'm gonna try the pennies. It's just like plain cake. China. Finish the penis first.
이거 거시니까 사장님 이거 그거 1,500원 하나에. 이거 하나 드릴까요, 사모님?
Even the straws, no, the sprout
잠시만.
and the ketchup bottle is very penis.
네, 됐습니다. 잠시만요.
I like it.
볼게요.